Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing and doing a quick tutorial on the brand new Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick in the shade Champagne Flash. This is one out of the 5 shades that they do have available, and it retails for $42 for 0.21 ounces. You can purchase it on hourglass.com, you can purchase it at Sephora. This is formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, and it is a highlighter in a smooth, weightless texture designed to give you an instant flash of light or unparalleled glow and the most seamless highlight. It's long wearing, it has hollow microspheres for a weightless feel, it has soft focus technology which creates a flash of light on the skin, and I do want to vouch for that. I am going to start this quick tutorial and use a few brushes. I'm going to use this brush to apply it into the inner corners, which I like to highlight, and honestly this has no feeling of heaviness on the skin. It feels like nothing's there, but it also reflects that light effortlessly and amazingly, and even when there's no light, it still gives your skin that natural glow. So this is also applied with a brush on my nose, just for a direct kind of subtle reflection, and then I'm going to directly apply the stick onto the tops of my cheekbones for an intense kind of glow and blend it out with my fingers, which I personally love to do. And as you can see, you can already see that intense glow, but when you blend it out, it's just like the foundation stick, and it just is so natural yet beautiful, and I definitely recommend it. So that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the giveaway. I will link down in the description box for your chance to win. All you have to do is subscribe and comment on that video, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.